on July 10, 1951 in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajnath Singh is a prominent leader in Indian politics. He began his career as a student activist with Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. In the year 1972, he was made the General Secretary of the Mirzapur branch of the RSS. In 1974, he was appointed the Secretary for the Mirzapur unit of Bharatiya Jana Sangh. At the age of just 24, Rajnath Singh was appointed the District President of the Jana Sangh in 1975. Elected to Legislative Assembly from Mirzapur in 1977, Singh's political influence grew rapidly. He served as the State President of BJP Youth Wing in 1984, the National General Secretary in 1986, and the National President in 2005. He was the Union Education Minister in 1991 and the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 2000. During PM Modi's terms, Singh served as the Union Home Minister and is currently Union Defence Minister. On July 10, 1806, Indian soldiers launched the Vellore Rebellion, marking the first significant revolt against British rule. The immediate cause was a new British dress code for Indian soldiers which prohibited Hindu soldiers from wearing tilak and required Muslim soldiers to shave their beards. Those who resisted were flogged and expelled from the army, sparking widespread anger. The revolt erupted in Tipu Sultan's fort in Vellore, where his family, supported by a pension from the East India Company, resided after his death in 1799. During Tipu Sultan's daughter's wedding in 1806, Indian soldiers attacked the British, killing around 200. The fort's commander, John Fancourt, was among the casualties. By morning, Indian soldiers had taken control of the fort, hoisting the Mysore Sultanate flag and declaring Tipu Sultan's son as the king.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Born on July 10, 1856 in Croatia, Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor and engineer who revolutionized the world with his discovery of the alternating current system. This breakthrough allowed for the efficient transmission of electricity over long distances. Tesla's contributions to science and technology were numerous, including the Tesla coil, electric motor, X-ray technology, and advancements in AC current. Often referred to as the father of Wi-Fi, Tesla's innovative spirit left an indelible mark on modern technology. Despite facing financial difficulties and living in isolation in New York towards the end of his life, his legacy endured. Tesla passed away on January 7, 1943. Posthumously, his inventions gained widespread recognition, and the unit of measurement for the electromagnetic field, Tesla, was named in his honor. Numerous institutions, museums, and awards celebrate his enduring influence in science and technology. Launched on July 10, 1962, Telstar 1 was the world's first communication satellite capable of transmitting signals across thousands of kilometers. This groundbreaking satellite, a collaborative effort by US, French, and British broadcasting agencies, was engineered by John Pierce. Weighing 77 kilograms and measuring 3 feet in length, Telstar 1 housed an intricate electronic circuit with 1000 transistors capable of amplifying signals 10,000 times. Powered by 3600 solar cells, the satellite resembles a large football. It could handle 600 phone calls and transmit a black and white TV signal simultaneously. Dedicated stations in America and Europe facilitated signal transmission to and from the satellite. Although Telstar 1 operated for only a few months due to radiation damage to its circuits, it marked a monumental step in the field of global communication. National Fish Farmers Day is celebrated annually on July 10th, commemorating the successful induced breeding of Indian major carps by Professor Dr. Harilal Chaudhary and Dr. Ali Kundu. This breakthrough, achieved at the Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute in Cuttack, Odisha, revolutionized aquaculture by enabling large-scale fish production. First celebrated by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research in 2001, this day highlights the significance of fish farming in meeting India's growing demand for fish. As the world's third largest fish producer, India owes much of its success to the contribution of fish farmers and aquaculture professionals. National Fish Farmer Day honors these stakeholders for their vital role in developing a sustainable and thriving fisheries sector.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now, Rhythm app, where every story matters.